Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys this Flexi red set that I did for my birthday. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, for the things you're going to need, we're going to need mousse, a leave-in conditioner. You're going to need a grapeseed oil or an oil of your choice. And I'm also using the ORS HD gel. So I have these flexi rods here. If you want a tighter curl, you can use these flexi rods. If you want a looser curl, you can use those. I wanted a mixture of both, so I am using both. So I want to make sure that my hair is wet, not like, you know, soaking, dripping wet, but wet enough to where my ends can lay down on the flexi rods nice and smooth. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair and then we're gonna get started. So first I'm applying my leave-in conditioner, and then over the top of that I applied mousse. I know you won't see me do the mousse in this clip, I'll show it in the next one, but yeah, just leave-in conditioner and then mousse over the top. And then I go in with my detangling tool. This is a tangle teaser brush. I have both the original and the one for fine fragile hair. I find both of the bristles to feel the same. Like, I've been sitting here for like 2-3 weeks, like running my fingers over both of them, trying to tell the difference. There's like, the one for fragile hair is slightly softer, but other than that I really don't find much of a difference between the two. So yeah, I'm just gonna be sectioning my hair, and then we're gonna put this away because it was getting in my way, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the flexi rods. So I want to make sure my hair is nice and detangled so it could go on smoothly. And we're gonna take that flexi rod and wrap it around the end. Make sure the ends lay down nice and smooth, and then you're just gonna continue to roll all the way up, and make sure that it's kind of tight. Well, you just want to apply tension to the roll, not tight to the point where, you know, it's gonna give you a headache, but like you want to give it enough tension so the flexi rod actually sits, and then you're just going to lock it in place. And then I'm just going to continue sectioning my hair, and the same thing applies. Make sure your hair is nicely detangled, nice and smooth. Apply it to the flexi rod, roll with tension, and then you lock it in place. Further on in the video, you guys will notice that the colors of the flexi rods are at different places in my hair when I'm actually taking them down. That is because, you guys, like, after I did this set, I did not feel like going under the dryer, so I left my hair to dry for over 24 hours. And would you believe me that when I went to take them down, my hair still wasn't dry, so I had to redo it, and that wasn't fun. But yeah, so here I am taking the last section in the front, and I'm going to apply to the flexi rod. Make sure my ends lay down nice and smooth, and then with tension we're gonna roll all the way up and lock it in place. I did one section off camera because, like, you pretty much do the same thing to both sections, so yeah. I'm gonna shut up now and let you guys just watch the process. It's pretty much the same. Leave-in conditioner, you apply your mousse, section your hair, and then you proceed to roll your flexi rods and lock them in place. guys, so here we are all done. I did go under the dryer the second time because, you know, I wasn't trying to come back with wet hair. So here I am taking my hair down after it's completely dry. And at one point I had to stop and take my rings off because they were kind of getting in the way, and I was scared that one of them was gonna kind of get caught in my hair and snag my hair. So yeah, here I'm taking them off because no ma'am, we're not having that. See me looking to the side here. I'm actually watching the boys on the camera. I think they were down for a nap, and I was just trying to make sure they weren't trying to wake up before I was done with this video. We are all done. Y'all see me talking here. I was on the phone, so I applied a bit of my grapeseed oil to my hands, and then I just started running my fingers through my hair and kind of lifting my roots a bit. But yeah, just apply some of whatever oil you're using to your hands prior to running your fingers through your hair, and just kind of separate the curls however you want them to be separated. For my birthday, I separated the curls a lot more, but today I wanted them like this. I didn't want them separated too much. So you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you next time. Bye.